Okay, this is the cold start of the 66 Toronado. I think I was supposed to pump it like 3 times. Yeah. This car is so awesome.
A few moments later.
I just want to listen to K. Billy's super sounds of the 70s when I drive this car. This is a 1966 Oldsmobile Toronado. I keep wanting to call it a Grand Toronado, and I know there's no such thing, but this car just feels grand. Thanks, man. It's a good night to be out, right? If you don't like talking to people, don't buy a 66 Toronado. Everyone wants to say hello. You know, everyone's been talking about AI and autonomous cars that drive themselves. You don't need to buy a Tesla or an EV. This thing, you get in, you turn it on, and really the amount of effort, the amount of input you have to put into this car in order for it to go where you want it to go is so minimal, it may as well be a computer doing it for you. Look at that, there's one of those driverless cars. It's not a big deal that the brakes aren't that great in this car. I mean, you know you're gonna stop, so, you know, you just plan ahead. Like the night before, when you're kind of thinking about what your next day is gonna be like, you're like, oh yeah, I gotta plan for that stop at that intersection. It's just something you always gotta think ahead in a car like this. Because if you need to stop right now, that's all right. The thing is, you're never going really that fast in this car. So it stops fast enough. Just give yourself some room.